Presenting the AGARO Cosmic Plus electric toothbrush with revolutionary sonic vibration technology that creates a side-to-side brushing action on the teeth at an extremely high frequency of 40,000 strokes per minute that demolishes all plaque. It has 5 cleaning modes. White for removing surface stains, clean for exceptional plaque removal, polish for polishing teeth, sensitive for sensitive gum cleaning, massage for gentle gum massage. The smart memory retains the last mode used and starts at that mode the next time you switch it on. The smart timer causes the brushing strokes to pause after every 30 seconds to change the brushing area and automatically shuts off after 2 minutes of brushing. It comes with 4 replaceable brush heads for long-lasting usage. It also comes with an Interdental Brush Head for cleaning and removing plaque from between teeth and other hard-to-reach areas. The charging cable is USB compatible and the brush can run for 25 days at a single charge. So, bring home the magic of AGARO Cosmic series to your life.